This is for the 4-foot Stingray or Bolt Generation 2 fixtures from PrimeLights. Unlock the fixture and get everything out. You've got your wired tombstones, unwired tombstones, LED tubes, and let's not forget the thank you card and instruction sheet. First, we're going to pop in those unwired tombstones on the unwired side of the fixture. Make sure both sides of the tombstone lock into place. And now let's do it again on the wired end of the fixture, making sure that both sides of each tombstone are locked into place. Now we're going to thread the power cable up through the center knockout of the base of this fixture. Use appropriate hardware to mount the base with available holes. Now mount the hooked hinges of the lid onto the base. And begin wiring the fixture with the green ground wires using a wire nut. Be sure to tighten it securely. On the fixture wire harness, unclip the business end of the yellow quick connector. Insert the white neutral wire in the white side and the black hot wire in the black side. Then reclip into the wire harness. The fixture is now wired. Close the lid and lock it down on both sides. Now install the T8 LED tube. Insert the pins, twist, and lock in. As always, get more at PrimeLights.com.